Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning an incredibly powerful and emotional song, Hurt by Johnny Cash. Now this song was originally by the band 9 Inch Nails and was covered by Johnny Cash later on in his life. Now I know a lot of you love this song for its raw honesty, so today I'm going to help you break the song down so that you can capture that same emotion when you play it yourself. Right, let's jump into the lesson today. So let's zoom in for a close-up. First of all, we do not need a capo for the song, and just make sure that your guitar is in standard tuning. So we're only going to need 5 chord shapes for the song. The first chord shape we need is an A minor chord. We need a C major. We need a D sus2. So if we just go to a normal D major chord, all you need to do to get a D sus2 chord is lift up your middle finger from the strings. And here we have our D sus2 chord. We're also going to need an F major chord. Now this you can play as a bar chord. You can also play this as an easy F, which is my F major 7 chord. Or a hybrid version of this would be to just bar your finger over the E and B string and to create that same chord shape. We're also going to need a G major chord. So let's start off by looking at the intro and verse of the song. So this is going to be based off of 3 chord shapes. We have the A minor, the C major, and our D sus2 chord. Now instead of strumming each chord, we're going to arpeggiate them, which means we're going to be picking out the notes individually from each of those chords. So let's start off with the A minor chord. So we're going to keep our A minor chord shape on the neck of our guitar, and we're going to pick out the first 2 notes of the A minor chord, which will be on the A string and the D string, followed by strumming through the G, B, and E strings. So we have a pick, pick, strum motion happening. So the A string, the D string, and then strum. And we're going to count this 1 and 2, 3, 4. So let that chord ring out for counts 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4. When we get to the C major chord, we're going to do basically exactly the same thing. We're going to be arpeggiating the notes, and we're going to be playing the same strings that we played for the A minor chord. So we're also going to be picking out the A string, the D string, and then we're going to strum the G, B, and E strings together. The only difference is after we've strummed those 3 strings, we're going to come back to the A string and pluck it again. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. We then move on to our D sus2 chord, and we're going to be picking out the D string, the G string. We're then going to strum the B and E strings together before moving back to the D string. So we have pick, pick, strum, pick. Pick, pick, strum, pick. So that bar has quite a lot going on in it because we have 2 chords, and every single beat we have to play a note. So let's try it again from the C major. Nice and slowly, it's going to sound like this. So one more time from the C. We're going to pick, pick, strum, pick. Switch to the D sus2. Pick, pick, strum, pick. So if we put it together nice and slowly from the A minor chord, it's going to sound like this. 3, 4, C. Back to A minor. 3, 4. 1 and 2. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you are new here, welcome. I post guitar lessons every single week to help you become a better guitarist. So if you are enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up if you are finding it helpful. Also, don't forget to ring the bell icon. That way YouTube will notify you every single week when I release a new video. Right, let's get back into the lesson today. Now let's move on to looking at the chords used in the chorus. The chords are going to be up on the screen and you'll see it's really simple. We have the first line of chords, G major to an A minor. We have F major next, and then C major. And that line of chords is going to be repeated twice during the chorus. The second line of chords starts off very similar to the first line. We have G major to A minor. We have F major again, ending off on a G major. And that line of chords is also going to be repeated twice. So the strumming pattern used in the chorus is also really simple. We're just going to be playing down strums, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And each chord you see up on the screen will get one round of the pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now something that we're going to do in the chorus to make it sound even more like the song is to accent the strong beats, which are our counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the G would sound like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So all the counts will get a full strum, 1, and all the ands, you're just going to hit 2 or 3 of the strings. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And this is going to apply to every single chord in the chorus. So if we play through the chorus, it's going to sound something like this. Starting on the G major, a 1, 2, ready, go. To the A minor, F, to the C, 2, 3, 4, repeats, G, A minor, F, to the C. Moving on to the second line of chords, G, A minor, to the F chord, G, G again, A minor, F, and G. Now something that I like to add into the chorus section is adding in a pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the high E string. And I keep this pinky finger down for every single chord. Now this is just going to make the chorus sound more like the original. So what this could look like is our G major played with 4 fingers. We're going to change to the A minor chord, keeping our pinky finger down. We're going to play our F major chord. And for this, I like to just use a normal F major 7 chord. And then we change to the C chord. If we go to the second line of chords, we have G again. We have A minor. We use our F major 7 shape. Back to G. So let's play through the chorus again using that extra embellishment that we're adding to the chorus. And this is definitely a more difficult way to play the chorus. So if you are just starting out and you are focusing on just getting those chord changes, then play the simplified version. But if you want to challenge yourself, then why not give it a try? And we're going to try that together now, starting on that G major chord. So keeping that pinky finger down for the entire chorus, using the same strumming pattern. When you are strumming this part of the song, we really want to bring out the high-pitched notes. So try to focus on doing those full down strums and getting in that high E string, so that all that effort that you're putting into squeezing down with the pinky is going to pay off. So the chorus could sound like this. To A minor, F, and to C. Back to G again, A minor, F chord, back to the C chords, second line of chords, G, A minor, F, and to G. Repeats, G, to the A minor, F, and G. So those are the main sections of the song. All that's left to do now is a full playthrough of the song, so make sure you have your guitar ready and join me in the next section of this lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting, tried to kill it all away, but I remember everything. So there you have it, everyone. Hurt by Johnny Cash. I really hope that you enjoyed learning this one today. If you did, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this lesson, then I know you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested to you right now on the screen. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the Stellar community. Until next time, I will see you in the next lesson. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.